Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are all doing great. Stay at home and safe, and also eat healthy foods. Okay. Today we are going to see the new lesson. The lesson name is our Earth. Do you know, children, how many planets are there in our solar system? Do you know? There are 8 planets in our solar system. Okay. The Earth is a only living planet in our solar system. Can you see this image, students? This is one village, okay, near the hills. Which gifts of nature do you find in this? Can you tell, students? Yes, correct. Water, sunlight, hills, plants, animals, trees. These are all gift of nature. Okay. Our world is made up of land, water, trees, animals and birds, and of course us, the human beings. What is this, students? This is a globe. Okay. Our earth, we along with animals, trees and plants live together on planet earth. Our earth is round in shape, just like an orange. Our earth is round in shape, just like an orange. Do you know, children, the shape of orange is round only? So our earth is like an orange. Okay. A small model of the earth is called a globe. A small model of the earth is called a globe. Our earth is made up of land and water. It is also covered a blanket of air. Our earth is made up of land and water. Okay. We live and grow crops on land. We need some basic things to live. Do you know? Land, water, air, food. Okay. So Earth is a only living planet in solar system because Earth has land, water, air, plants and sunlight. So Earth is a only living planet. We live and grow crops on land. Do you know, children, what is the color of Earth? Blue. Because most of the earth is covered with water. See this page, water is found in ponds, lakes, rivers, seas and oceans. Most of the earth is covered with water. That's why it looks blue. Next we are going to read the various forms of land. We live on land and share it with plants and animals. The land on earth does not look the same in every place. Let us read on to know the various forms of land. See, what is this? Forest. How can you find? Because lot of trees having. See, many parts of this land are covered with thousands of trees grouped together called forest. Many parts of this land are covered with thousands of trees grouped together called forest. Okay. See this page, students. Now we are going to read about plains. Do you know what is meant by plain? Plains mean flat lands. See, our earth has flat lands called the plains. Many rivers flow through the plains. So, people live and grow crops on the plains. They live in villages, towns and cities. People cultivating crops on the plains. Okay. What is this, students? This is desert. Our earth also has vast lands covered with sand. Such lands are called deserts. Okay, our country India too has a desert. It is called the Thar Desert and it is in Rajasthan. Have you been there? So, desert means that land covered with full of sand. What is this, students? This is high snowy mountains. Very high hills are called mountains. The tip of mountains is called a peak. Mountains remain cold almost all around the year. Some mountains are so high and so cold that they have snow on their peaks. See this picture, students. What is this? This is a stream. Stream means a small narrow river. Okay. In summer, the snow melts and flow down the mountains as stream and rivers. Many villages, towns and cities have developed on the banks of rivers. See this page, students. We share our earth with plants and animals. Okay. We cannot live without plants and animals because plants and animals give us food. And also they help us in many ways. We share the planet Earth with animals, plants and other living things. The oceans and rivers are home to fish and many other beautiful creatures. A deer in a grassland, we must be kind to the animals. Do you know, children, our earth is huge in size. Huge means big. See this page, students. The place where we live may seem to be very big. However, it is only a very small part of the earth. Let us understand this with the help of this flow chart. Okay, this is flow chart. Okay. See, this is your house. Just imagine, students, this is your house means your house is in a village, town or a city. Okay. Then your village or town or a city lies in India. India, a country. Our country name is India. Do you know? India is a part of Asia, which is a very large landmass or a continent. Okay, continents means, students, very large landmass. Okay, our country name is India. India is a part of Asia. Do you know, children, how many continents are there in earth? 7 continents. Okay, our country India is in a Asia continent. Okay, the continent Asia is a part of planet Earth on which we live. Now we are going to see the summary of the lesson. Summary means recall the lesson in short form. In this page we find the gifts of nature. In this page we learnt the shape of earth. Our earth is round in shape like an orange. In this page we learnt the color of earth. Color of earth is blue because it is covered with water. That is why it looks blue. In this page we learnt the various forms of land, forests and plains. Forest means a land covered with thousands of trees. Plains means flat lands. In this page we learnt about deserts. Deserts means a land covered with sand. Okay, then Thar desert. It is in Rajasthan. Next, hills. Hills means a land is higher than its surroundings. Hills are very beautiful. In this page we learnt about mountains. Mountains means very high hills are called mountains. The tip of mountain is called a peak. Mountains so high and so cold that they have snow on their peak. So this mountain is called high snowy mountains. In this page we learnt about streams. Okay. Summer the snow melt and flows down the mountains as streams and rivers. We share our earth with plants and animals. The oceans and rivers are home to fish and many other beautiful creatures. We must be kind to the animals. Okay. In this page we see one flow chart. The place where we live may seem to be very big. Okay. Our country name is India. India is a part of Asia. Asia is a continent. The continent Asia is a part of planet Earth on which we live. Thank you, student. We will meet in next class.